Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Friday morning. What's today's date? January 28th. We've been keeping it low-key. It's been busy with me working. Nothing really exciting to vlog. So, just a normal day-to-day. Emma might have cheer. You know, we have scouts, stuff like that. But today I'm not working. So I figured I'd start the vlog today and take you along our weekend. I'm off to the market, and tomorrow we have a 100% big snowstorm heading our way. They're saying up to maybe 2-ish, 3 feet of snow. So Ben has snow pants. We don't have any for Emma. I should look to see if I can get some. When I'm gonna go to Walmart, I'll see if I can get some. They probably don't have any for Emma. In case they want to go sledding, because you know we live on a hill. And then even if like after the storm, if it's over before dark, or even in the dark, there's some places that we could go, like the high school. There's a few places. So if they really want to go, I don't like being out in the too cold. You know, like if it's like 30, I could manage. But like lately, we've been having, like yesterday morning when they went off to school, it was literally 7 degrees. So that I won't do. But this morning it was 29, so I don't know what the temps are going to be tomorrow. But we're supposed to get snow, so definitely under 32. I'm wearing my new Hockey Mom hat that I asked for from Santa. And just in my sweatshirt, sweatpants, going off to the market. Let's get going. Alright, so I'm back from the market. It was chaos at Walmart. Shelves were bare. Barely any meat. I couldn't even get the meat that I wanted. I had to get like frozen chicken. So I made a salad. I'm going to sit here and eat my lunch. And then I gotta vacuum the living room and clean up his toys and our shoes. And then, I don't know what my day is gonna bring, being that tomorrow is the snowstorm. I definitely want to leave cleaning up the rest of the basement for tomorrow. And also making my poster boards. I went and grabbed those at Dollar Tree and a few other items. So I have an episode of a show on demand I can sit here and watch. I'm going to do that. I'm going to vacuum like I said. And, yeah, we'll see what happens. I have a few more things to put away in the cupboard. I did all like the fridge and freezer. So we'll see ya. Emma's doing the dishes. About 5 past 6. Good morning, guys. It is almost 10 a.m. Got up around 9. Steven was up a little bit earlier. It is definitely snowing. And we just had our breakfast. Steven made me, Emma, and him a nice egg sandwich. Ooh, and I gotta go charge the camera. So I'm gonna head down now to go switch my laundry. Let me show you the snow. We've got snow, and it's still snowing. It's a blizzard warning. We're supposed to get up to 3 feet of snow, so we'll keep you posted. Alright guys, what time is it, Ben? 11:22, and as you see, it's up to the door, really windy, so yeah, we can't go outside. It's crazy. Okay, so being that we have a snow day, And Daddy's here. I was like, well, I'm going to be cleaning out the pantry over here. It got really crazy in the past couple of weeks.
I put music on and I don't...
Yeah, we'll put music on. One sec. Daddy found a wood. He's making a shelf over here because if you haven't seen, it's very deep. All the shelves are very deep. But this one would be nice, and then this one. But I have ways. I have already a shelf with the basket under it. But then when you get all this stuff on front of it, you can't use the behind. So in the near future, we're gonna get better systems in here. But with this shelf, this will help a whole lot. I went and I grabbed bins for like my different snacks that we have right now. Like I was like, okay. I just got a big box of these.
Really, dude?
Teas from Disney, my popcorn. So this should help the process. Yeah, those are in your way, huh? They keep falling down. Oh, nice. That'll be nice. We can put the snacks right there. Yeah, the popcorn. That'll be nice. And then the breakfast foods underneath. That'll be nice. And then I just gotta get, then I'm like, we got a pantry downstairs for extra. So there's like, I got crackers that I'm gonna bring downstairs. And some of these boxed items that a friend just gave me, a whole bunch of mac and cheese. And then what I'm gonna do is behind the cereal as well, see if we're actually using those things there. And then if it's empty space, it's empty space. But usually we keep bread in those under the shelves, little baskets, those little white ones right there. So I gotta go, they're all on the counter right now, but we'll figure it out. So that's the project today. We just emptied out our liquor, as you see right here. We dumped 2. These are ones we want. We're hoping to put those in here as well, because we forget that they're up there and stuff. Not that we drink a lot, as you can tell. Wicked dusty. Look at them. So that's been our project. Oh, that's right. I just grabbed this before he started doing the shelf. I want to clean up this here. All right, we'll talk later. Is it now, honey? Is it after 6?
It's 10 minutes to 7.
All right, it's like 10 minutes to 7, and it's still snowing. This is how much snow we've got. It's up to the top of the deck. Let me see if... No, I can't. Damn it. Let's see if I can get him. Benjamin is out here. We got to get an area so Teddy, because he's only a foot height. So we got to make sure we give him some spots for tonight to go out. He's been out after lunch, but it's been just snowing and snowing all day. So this is definitely a blizzard of 2022. Daddy's done some shoveling earlier, and now Ben's just been helping with whatever snowed in the last few hours to help Teddy have an area. So this is it. I want to get it. So here's the front. Look how crisp the snow is in our yard. So the plow's been coming. They make like a big pile over here in this corner. It's wicked windy. Can't even hold the door open, but yeah, they'll make like a big pile. So they're still not done. No one's been out here, as you see. Crisp snow with no footprints. Alright guys, Ben's gonna send him outside. Done? Okay, come on in. So it is 7:45 and I had just made in the last like 45 minutes. I had, when I was cleaning out my pantry, I was like, I had a small box. I think I know it's a funfetti, and I think I got it from Dollar Tree. So then I had some extra frosting from Teddy's birthday in the fridge, and then we always have sprinkles. So this was left over, I think, from the gingerbread houses. I got brownies in the oven. Last week I grabbed a box of brownies. You know, it's a snow day. We've been all in all day cleaning and stuff, and we're gonna have some cool desserts tonight. 12 cupcakes and then some brownies. Yeah, we might just do plain brownies. No topping. What? Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. It is a little after 9. Our clock fell down yesterday, so I can't see what time it is. I just threw on some clothes. I didn't wash my hair this morning, but it's not bad. And the only thing I'm doing today is I'm cleaning some more. I just brought up the second to the last load of laundry. The last one's in the dryer now. And I hope I put it on. I think I did. And because my husband was talking to me when I was doing that. Is the only other thing I got to do today is go to the hockey game, which I'll be putting on a winter hat. So who cares about the hair today? We'll skip a day to wash the hair. It's always good to do. So I'm just in my sweatpants and my real comfy sweatshirt. I got this at Walmart a year ago, and I love it. It's so comfy. So in a few minutes, Steven and Ben are going to go out and start snow blowing the yard. Teddy went outside again. Did you go poo-poos? Yeah. Oh, you got snow on you. You did? You went poo-poos? See? When you stare at us, that's what it means, huh? You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi, guys. I just went out in the snow. Huh? Yeah, they made me a little area yesterday. Huh? Do you like the snow? You like the snow? You do? It's like 10 degrees outside right now. Yep. 10. That's what it says on the TV. Yep. So, hopefully today, Daddy he's going to cut these boxes and make a stand for our cookie booth. That's hopefully next weekend. Last year, the new ones, was it last year or the year before? I can't remember. The Toastier, the green box. And this year, our Adventurefuls are new. So, see over there, if you can see it. You might not. The box next to Adventurefuls, that's the little stand that we make. I gotta actually glue it down. It's coming apart right here, see? And then you stack the boxes. Just, oopsie, 2 layers, and then you can see like the name and everything of the cookie. So we gotta make those for next week.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
It's 10 degrees. Crazy. It only went on one side of it because it was so windy. Ben, blow out like you're smoking. Careful. A long stick. This is crazy. Got my boots on. I don't want to get them too wet. But if you see, we're like, you can't even get out to the road. So we got a lot to do. And then the walkway is complete snow. So sunny out today. Gorgeous blue sky. We've got a hockey game this afternoon, so we gotta clean this up.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the...
I don't know if I showed. This is now a few girls have come for cookies, but these are all our cookies down here. So this is why I had to clean my basement, and it's great now that the desk is gone. So now it's Cookie Central down here. This is our little wagon thing my mom got us. She had went a couple years ago to the cookie kickoff, like training type thing, and she got that for like 20 bucks. So it's like my box for money, my tablecloths. I think I got the headbands in there that we bought off Etsy. Me and Emma have one. And then these are the little trays. So this is why we have to make the other two. So Cookie Central over here. And I'll probably be ordering more in another week or so to make sure that we have enough for all the girls to sell, plus the booth sales. Because I had at least another, what did I have? I had 20 boxes of the caramel thin mints peanut butter patties, and then I had like 10 of the newer ones over here, and then like 15 of these other ones. I think I only did 10 of a toasty egg too, something like that. So, and then I only got one case of the gluten-free. So back in the garage, I want to show you, this is the bed, if you can see it, that Ben's going to get. Snow blower. He's working now on the other side of my car. And then when it gets a little bit warmer in here, I want to try to, well actually I can grab that basket there. And that's the Playmobil Zoo that I've been trying to sell on Facebook, but I gotta lower the price and just try to sell that. And those are my old Cabbage Patch dolls and stuff. So we got a few more things that we're trying to sell, you know, before we move out of here. So that's his new hockey bag from Christmas. So that's probably the table that we're gonna need to use for the cookie booth. Or we'll just use one from my craft room. Yeah, I'll show you. It might be the table that I borrowed from my parents that I have right now. I guess I'll leave it on for them. Over here, this is the small size, so I'll just clean this up this week. Maybe even a little today. I used the shelf that I had here in our pantry. I did yesterday. So I like having this set up. We'll see. I'd rather use the one in the garage. We'll see what's easier and what happens if we're gonna we gotta sell his loft bed so that we can set that bed up. So
where's Ben?
over here.
Ah!
He's dealing with like around the car, I guess.
They look like twins.
I know, almost, huh? Just different hats, and Ben's got the hat over the hood. Daddy's got a hat and then the hood. Ben started with the hat, then a hood, I guess, and he felt like the hood will help his neck stay warm instead of a scarf. So now they got the driveway all set, and now he has to do the front. If you can see, there's like sticks, little that you buy at like Home Depot, so you know where the end of your property is. But now he needs all this area in front here up to the driveway clear so he can park his truck. And the plows never come up to our property and they leave tons of snow. So now he has to do that. Then he will, from like there's a stick here to a stick here, that's the walkway that he'll have to do as well right here. But first he's doing for his truck space, and then he'll just leave all that snow on this side, so he can just come and pull up here. Then he's going to do the walkway. We usually do a path so that we don't have to come down into the road. Just do like a path on the grass to get to the driveway. He may or may not. And then usually when we have this amount of snow, he'll do a walkway up to the stairs on that side as well. And then he also has to do a walkway from the back deck. He did a little area for the dog to pee and stuff all through the night. But then to get to the trash, because like Ben, like tomorrow night, is going to have to get the trash out. And he's going to get one from the stairs on this side, the other side, so that he can go and put like the trash out over here by the basketball net tomorrow night. Hoping that it's not delayed. They pick up normally on a Tuesday morning for us. And they didn't plow enough. It's not wide enough, this hill, which sucks. Like when you go down to the bottom, no one can turn up it if you're there at the bottom, and no two cars could be driving like down it and up it at the same time. So that sucks, because like if you turn and you go down and then someone's trying to come up, you know, then what do you do? But I don't know how the other hill is. We live on two hills, so we'll have to see. But yeah, look at him. He's buried the mailbox, but he's just trying to get his spot for his truck. So he'll be out here a while. It's now 11:15, 10:11, and he's been out since 10 with Ben. Oh, just about 10. Maybe it was a little bit after by the time they got started, you know. But thank God we have a son to help him, because, you know, with his heart attack from 2019, he's gonna go easy. Whoa. Oh, he's over there. Oh, Ben, I didn't even notice. He must have walked closer to the house, and now he's at the front door shoveling the steps. That'll be good, so he can work his way to where he'll use the snowblower on the steps down. So that's good. So he'll be doing that while Daddy does there. Because like he helped him with the driveway using a shovel. And now he's over here. Your hat's on behind you.
Yeah.
Alright. What happened? You too hot now? Doing a good job, buddy. You guys have been out here about an hour now. It's crazy, huh? How much snow?
I'm a little hot to talk about.
You can. Yeah, I remember last night you wanted and you never made it. Oh, you're going kind of fast. Dog's going out. Watch this. Let's see if he goes on the path. Here he is. He's right over here. Oh, he's going that way. Oh, he's over here now.
He's running. He's checking things out.
He's back at the door, you stupid. That's it? Go outside! Stupid. Did he go? Here he is. We took a right. He's over there.
You can see his tail. He's peeing.
Oh, yep. See? And he wanted to come in. Here he comes. All right. Alright guys, so I'm back home. We were supposed to have a hockey game for Ben. It got canceled. The other team, I guess, couldn't get on the ferry. So we had to practice. I delivered a whole bunch of cookies, Girl Scout cookies, to parents who bought. Then we came home and had dinner. So now I'm going to start editing this vlog. But yeah, we won't close it out till bedtime. And I just realized I will insert some, I think, photos here. I might have some other clips. I don't think so, though, of this week. Just some photos of Emma's cheer game, basketball game. The Tuesday game got switched to Wednesday, and they canceled Thursday's game. And Wednesday, I had to take Ben to drums, so I didn't go. My mom and dad went, and then a friend of mine, her son plays on the basketball team, so she was there and took some pictures, and so did my mom. So I will insert those now, and we'll see you in a little bit to close out the vlog. Alright guys, so I've been busy doing some editing. I realized I never put up last week's vlog that I started like last Thursday, showed you clips of Wednesday, and then proceeded for the weekend. So I'm editing that now. I'm going to put that up tonight before I go to bed. It's now 9 o'clock. They're going to bed. And then tomorrow I'll put up this weekend, which started on, I think, Friday morning. So it'll be like, or it was Thursday, I'm not sure.
Ah! My TV turned on. That happens a lot.
And where's your remote?
On my desk.
Wow, and you have a bowl right there.
That will turn on. Okay. Now I'm good.
That is weird.
It is. My TV's broken. Ah!
Oh.
Anyways.
So, like I was saying, we'll have up, this vlog will be up on Monday. So go check out last week's vlog that I put up last night. So I got here, Emma. We never been ending our vlogs in a while. And I've only been putting up, like, you know, one a week of the weekend / maybe Friday or Thursday night if we do something. But I like it this way. When I work, it's kind of the same monotonous thing. So, thanks so much for watching. Tell them, Emma, give this video a big thumbs up. You're not going to show your thumb? Thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment down below. Share this video to all your friends. Help this channel grow. And we will see you no, not tomorrow. I can't say tomorrow. On our next video. Bye, guys.
I can't read.